Hi guys, let me tell you how much YouTube have paid me for 80,000 views in just 5 to 6 minutes. So make sure to watch till the end and do well to subscribe. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So I'm going to be putting a screen recording here, and yeah, let's dive right into it. So right now the video is on 81,781k views, and the watch hour is 3.4k watch hour. This is the watch hour everybody is aspiring to get for monetization. For subscriber right now is 2.1k subscribers. So this video was able to bring 2,000 plus people to this channel, and for the reach we have 980,000 impression. That's over 1 million impression on this particular video. The impression click-through rate is 7.1%. Unique viewer 86.2 thousand. So we're going to go down to content suggesting my video. You can see that the first video there is no views on your video, blah blah blah. That's the first one. Then other content, right? So make sure you are able to use end screen for a video or info cards. And then playlist featuring this video is my playlist that I created. Let's talk YouTube. Okay, so how viewers find the video is through browse features. That means they were browsing it and then it came up. Audience retention 2 minutes 30 seconds, which is also fine. So this one we are going to talking about returning viewers 1.5k people, and then for the new viewers 66.7k viewers. So that is a lot. So we're going to go right to the top geographical location: Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, US and UK. So Nigeria is always topping it, and I've accepted my fate like that. There's nothing I can do about that. So before we continue, we are going to talking about the sponsor of today's video, which is a channel that teaches you educational tutorials. They cater for online entrepreneurs, students, business owners that need to know things about online and how to get things done, how to create Google folder, how to become admin on your Facebook. That no, that thing was a big issue for me when I wanted to link my Instagram to my Facebook. They will say, okay, you have to be an admin of a group before you can do it, and it was a big issue. But this page literally has it, and it is very easy. The good thing about this channel is majority of their videos are less than 5 minutes, so it is something you go in and out, you learn, and you are out to go and practicalize it. So the direct link to the channel is going to be in my description box. Do well to check them out. Subscribe for occasional guides and tutorial on how to get things done online, and it is very easy to understand. Once again, the direct link to the channel is going to be in my description box. Do well to check them out. Thank you How2Edu for sponsoring this video. And then for what we've been waiting for, first thing I'll first want to show you guys, talk about is CPM. How much advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views is, as at now, $4. But at the point it was $8. At the point it was $3. At the point it was $4. Right now it's on $4. So the RPM, how much YouTube is giving me for 1,000 is 1.79. So just imagine I was able to have a very high, or just imagine the $8 that was there as at August 28th was what is there now. YouTube will have been able to give me like $3 or something, and I'll be able to make more on my video. So the less your CPM, the less your money, honestly speaking. Even if you have plenty views, the less your money. I just wanted to point that out. And the total money I've been able to make is $141.76. Even if it is 2-day processing, that's fine. But the point is, the higher your CPM, the higher the money, because you have to put at the back of your mind that if you have high CPM, even if it is 20 or 37, YouTube will still take a substantial amount and give you the rest. That's it about that. Thank you guys for sticking with me, for liking and for sharing. Do well to subscribe. Do well to turn on your post notification bell to get notified when next I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. I was able to make the mark. This is, and I know when I'm going to edit this, I will still be able to remove some parts. I'm so sure about that. So let me just stop this thing. And bottom line, your CPM is very important and your views followed. then other things can follow. But CPM, very important. Anyways, bye. Thank you for watching.